what's up? Hi. Hi, baby. I'm in this. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Okay, come on. Come on. Welcome to a lovely evening in Los Angeles. Oh, yeah. Oh, this feels so good. Ah, yes. I feel like it's been forever since I've been on this bike. But really, it's only been, I think, a week and a half. Maybe even 2 weeks, but I have a perfectly good reason why I haven't been riding. And that's because it's been hot as fuck. Yes! All right. Woo! Feels so good. Yeah, I'm sorry guys, you may have noticed I haven't been putting up any content lately with me being on the Bonnie. But yeah, the weather just has been ridiculously hot in LA lately. Yeah, it's been extremely weird. It's not only hot but humid, which is a rarity here. Another cool little update. I got a new jacket and some riding pants. Real riding pants. They have a CE armor built into it, and it's made from some composite material that's blended in, which will reduce the amount of abrasion should I go into a slide. But I don't plan on that happening. Yeah, these jeans are pretty dope. They're the Dainese Strokevilles. Strokeville. So they actually come with CE level 2 armor in the knees, and I can also get the inserts for the hips. And this is actually my first pair of legitimate riding jeans, so I feel much better. Yeah, buddy. Let's roll with this guy. I feel a lot more confident riding out now, especially through the canyons with a couple of my buddies. Not like I was not confident before, but I feel a lot better rocking these jeans. And another thing I bought was a new jacket. Upgraded my jacket to the Dainese, man, I forgot what it was called. It's let me think about it for a second here. What the fuck is this shit called? Yeah, I forgot what this jacket was called, but I'll put it somewhere here. Damn, my memory is just getting away from me nowadays. But anyway, so how I found out about this jacket was from an actual video game. I was playing Ride 2 one night, and yeah, I noticed an option where you can customize your rider. This jacket was available. And it looked pretty sick. Had the back protector and everything. So, which is the reason why I upgraded to this Dainese jacket, was because it offers back protection. Yeah, gone are the days of me squitting and not wearing protective gear, because I've been seeing and I've been hearing a lot of stories with people going down. So, you know, that's just not a risk I'm willing to take anymore. So I've certainly upped my game with my my riding gear, and you know what, it's worth the investment, because it'll be a different story once you get your hospital bill. But let's not even get there, shall we? Gotta ride safe. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh, this thing's so fun. The only thing about this jacket is it's not perforated, so on a really, really hot day, I'll be quite toasty. They did make a perforated version, but it's out of stock everywhere. But yeah, you know what? I dig it. It's a nice fit. It's a slim fit, which I like. I don't look like a damn box rolling around. Hey! Okay, my friend. So slow. Why are you so slow? Oh, it certainly feels so much better when the sun's down. Yeah, buddy. Ooh, there's water. Another dope thing about this jacket, it has night visibility. Got a little strip of reflective material going across the top. An added feature that I really like. I wanna do something freaky to you, babe. You know, riding with proper gear just kind of makes you feel a little bit more confident out here. At least that's what it is for me. For the 9 years that I've been riding previously, this is the first time I'm actually wearing proper gear. Interestingly enough, I guess it's kind of normal when you get a little older, you start realizing things and you begin to think about the what ifs. I may squid on some occasions, but it needs to be justified. For example, my recent Italy trip, man, I was squidding for days over there. And it was honestly, it was quite dangerous, you know, going into unknown territory, riding around without any proper gear. But hey, you know what? That's okay. I was on vacation. But that should never be an excuse, right? It is what it is. It was what it was. And at the end of the day, you know, I feel more confident riding with proper gear. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this short ride. If you did, do like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, be sure to keep those side stands up.